Hey, Tony, Archway Industries. We're going to be doing a quick overview on how to winterize a CT100D machine. There are three circuits on a CT100D that you winterize. We'll start with the concentrate circuit. We'll do the pressure washer, and then we'll do the primary water circuit. So starting with the concentrate circuit, we'll be starting back here at the concentrate tank. We've got two ball valves on the concentrate tank. This ball valve down here will shut the concentrate tank off. To winterize, we will open this ball valve here. As you can see, we've got this hose already into a gallon of windshield washer fluid. You can use RV antifreeze as well if you choose. You don't want to work fine. So once you've got that set up, you're going to come over to your control. We're doing this with the engine off, so we're not actually going to pull fluid through, but the steps are the same nonetheless. So you come over to your control, you're going to go into your production screen, down to the settings screen, and set your mode select to manual by hitting this soft key button here. Once we're in manual, we'll go back up to the main screen, and now you can see all of the inputs on the left-hand side, air, water, and concentrate, are there, and you can select them individually. So for winterization, we want to be on this screen because we'll just start by running the concentrate circuit only. So we'll activate the concentrate circuit, and when we hit the master on off, it's going to start the concentrate pump, and it'll start pulling concentrate out of our gallon jug here. Generally speaking, we say it's going to take a quarter to a half gallon to winterize the concentrate circuit. So once you've seen that jug go down about a half gallon, no more, you'll come back over. You're going to hit the master off, I guess as we had it anyway, to turn that concentrate pump off. We'll just go ahead and deselect that for now because the next circuit we're going to do is the pressure washer. So we can either take this gallon jug here, the remaining jug, since we'll have some left, or in this case, I'm just going to open up a new gallon jug. And we're going to open up power unit. And in here, we've got our second winterization pickup tube. So we will put our pickup tube down into this gallon of windshield washer fluid. Again, much like we did on the ball valves for the concentrate tank, we're going to shut the ball valve off coming from the water tank and open this ball valve here. This is going to allow us to suck windshield washer fluid in from the gallon jug and not the water tank. So once we've got that set up, we go back to the control. And all we do is we're going to turn our pressure washer on. And with the engine running, of course, that's going to begin to draw fluid into the pressure washer circuit. So once you do that, you'll want to check the jug of winterization fluid rather, and check to see that we're pulling in, again, somewhere around a half gallon of fluid through that concentrate or that pressure washer circuit rather. So once we've done that, we're now ready to do the primary water circuit. So we'll come back to the control. We're going to turn our pressure washer off. And to do the primary water circuit, again, we are on the manual screen mode. We're going to activate the water circuit. And when we hit the master on off, it's going to begin to draw the windshield washer fluid in through the primary water circuit. Generally, it's going to take probably about a gallon to do that primary water circuit. But once you start that, you're going to see that jug go down very rapidly because the water pump draws in a lot of fluid. Once you've got that first or second gallon really emptied, you probably end up needing to put a third one on. It generally takes somewhere around 3 gallons to winterize complete 100D. So you put that second gallon jug in on that circuit, and what you're going to want to see is coming out of the foam hose. You'll see fluid coming out, and once you see it turn to that blue color or pink if you're using RV antifreeze, then you know you've got winterization fluid through the whole circuit. Last thing I want to point out, for when you're winterizing your machine, you do want to drain your water tank. And you do so by opening this ball valve down here. Open that up. It's going to let as much water that can drain out of that tank as possible, ensuring that we don't get more water in through here. The last thing would then be, this is your water tank Y strainer filter. You're going to want to unscrew that filter and be sure that there's no water left inside of that. And that is everything you need to do to winterize a CT100B.